In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2022 Ford Escape. This one has an electronic parking brake, so you won't see a brake pedal. But what you will see right here in the center of the vehicle is a little button that says P. To set the parking brake, I'm just going to pull up on that button. You may hear a little noise, and this now says the parking brake is on. You'll also notice by this indicator here that says brake, that tells us that the brake is engaged. To turn off the parking brake, it requires one more step. I'm going to press the brake pedal at the same time I push down on this. You then may hear a little noise. It's going to say parking brake is off, and then you'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen, the park indicator is now turned off. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.